All right, guys. We're about to kick stream started. I just need to put my song on, and we get it started. We get it started, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. We're active. We're active. We're active, guys. Hope you guys can hear me. Let me know where you're streaming from. Let me know if you're me, guys. Let's get this party started. Let's get this stream started, guys. Let's get this stream started. So you can already see that I have a good trade on my chart, but I'm not on the trade. I don't know if you guys can get my background song playing. I don't think it's playing because for some reason this stream is hanging. All right, guys. I'm going to break down this trade. I'm going to break down everything right now for you guys, so um you can see everything. So I'm going to break it down right now. So just give me 1 second. I'm setting up. I'm doing the final setup for us to get started. Doing the final setup for us to get started, guys. All right, this is gold. Let's quickly run it down. This is gold. We had a beautiful buy on gold. I couldn't call it out on time, but this was the buy. Price moved about 80 pip on gold, close to 80, about 70 pips, sorry. And we had like about 33 pips stop loss. You can see this is more than this is basically close to 2 to 1 on gold. But let me show you the whole idea about the trading about this particular pair and what made me go into the buys in the first place, because that's why we're here. Like, what was the reason for me placing a trade? Why am I entering a trade? And why is money being made? So we have about 2 minutes, 2 minutes to London section. So let's make that happen. 2 minutes to London section, guys. Let's make that happen. So gold has moved crazy this morning. Gold has moved crazy. This was me checking in, like, if I was going to enter the trade, like where am I going to enter it from? And I can show you that gold has moved crazy this morning, over 300 pips. And if I measure this new one, it should be like 400 right now. This is about 400 pip move on gold. And we didn't catch any moves. So this is just a small one. That's the only thing we're able to catch on gold. So let's clear up everything. Let's remove everything on there. Let's remove everything there, and let's break this gold trade down gently and calmly, looking from the daily time frame. So I made a comment a few days ago on Twitter that we will likely see gold hit $5,000 soon, because this brings panic. We were wondering, like, what is going on. in what's basically going on. Why is gold moving rapidly like this? What's going on? Is the economy about to crash? Why is there any sign of um war? Is there a possible sign of World War III? Because can somebody make it make sense why gold is absolutely moving the way it's moving right now? Because I'm really trying to understand the reason behind gold movement. Gold have been moving like crazy since last year. You can see it has been moving crazy. You can see it. So make it make sense. So let's go over our daily time frame. This week now is already showing us that the week is already showing us that gold is very very bullish, very bullish. You can see the candles. You can see how strong the candle is. So let's drop down to our 4 hour time frame and let's see what's going on. So the daily is bullish. There's no way I can put a daily resistance or support or anything like that because price is pushing up rapidly. So the next thing I'll do is drop to the 4 hour time frame. If you're just turning into the stream, please give the stream a like, give the stream a comment, just let us know from wherever you're coming from. Just show some love to the stream. Show some love to the stream, guys. Show some love to the stream. Show some love to the stream. All right, guys, let's continue from where we left off. So this is gold 4 hours, and you can see the 4 hours too. This was where price was dancing seriously yesterday. This was the range we were trying to trade. Like I also told you guys, avoid this range. And throughout yesterday's section, this was where gold is. You can see this is 4 hours, so you can see if I take my measurement to draw it from here to here, you can see that gold was ranging for a day and 4 hours before the breakout. It was this particular 4 hours candle that gave us the breakout candle that pushed gold to the upside. You can see where gold is currently now. So you can see the massive push to the upside with this 4 hours candle. Now you can see the 4 hours candle is incisive. So we can, since we have gotten this drive, this momentum, this push to the upside, there's every possibility that where gold is now, gold can range for a while before giving us a new move, whether it wants to move bullish or wants to move bearish. But gold is very volatile to the upside. Like there's a lot of it's making me wonder like what's actually going on. Now let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the 1 hour is saying. So the 1 hour just closed. To close um bullish candle. You can see the weak rejection. So let's measure the weak rejection from this candle. You can measure the weak rejection. You can see it's about 60 pip, and you can see it actually close below a range right here. So let's drop to 30 minutes. Let's see if you have a clean structure and we can know what we're doing. So on 30 minutes, we have a support here, which is going to change when I drop to a lower time frame. And you also have a resistance here, which is also going to change when I drop to a lower time frame. So if I drop down to the 15 minutes, it's looking like a break and a test of structure, and price is already pushing to the upside. And this is what I have a resistance above here, and I have a support below here. Now we don't really know where we're trading of tickets. We don't know where we're looking to target. We don't know where our highs are looking to go. But this is what I see right now on gold, and this is where gold respected and is trying to push up right now. So this is my range. This is where I should be looking for buys, and this is where I'm looking for sales. So let us do that. Let us put sales below here and buys above to make it clear, and I'll show you guys exactly what I want price to do in order for me to to place to trade. So I'm putting sales below, and we're putting buys above. So this is basically what we are working with right now. This is basically what we're working with right now. This, this is basically what we're working with right now. So what do I want price to do? What do I need to see price do exactly before I place the trade? So I need candle closures like this. Let me show you. Where's my tools? Where's my tools? Where's my tools? 1 second. So you can see the way the 15 minutes candle now is pushing upward. So if I can see this 15 minutes close strong bullish like this, I don't mind how many pips it close, but if I see it's close, because now gold is very volatile. So if I see it close strong bullish like this, having a top week and a bottom week rejection, I can wait for the next candle to like retest structure. Then when it's done retesting, I can look for the flip of the candle and I can look to buy. So this is what I'm considering right now in gold. This is what I will likely see, and I'll be like, oh yeah, I'm in for gold because this is basically what I'm looking for. This is what I need. Easy candle like this, and I'm in on the trade. So same thing for sell. You can see it's pushing in. So I have about 10 more minutes. Hopefully price stay within the zone. And let's measure this candle. This candle alone should be 60p plus 70p. Okay, good. Let's just wait for the candle to close. And the closure will tell us a lot. And if we're going to be able to profit of it, so we'll know very soon. And same thing for sales. If price starts trending downwards, giving us some bearish momentum, showing us that it has no volume to push back to the upside and start pushing downwards, breaking the structural low and coming down to break this low. Then we can look for a retest. After we get the retest, then at the flip of the candle, we can look to go for longs or for short, and we sell the price to the downside. So this is exactly what we are waiting for gold to do. And when we get that, we would be on the street. But for now, there's nothing going on. There's nothing much going on. All we need to do is wait. We have about 9 more minutes to the end of this candle. So we just have to wait for 9 minutes and see exactly how the candle closes. Then from there, we know if it's a good fit for us to buy or not. But for now, nothing. We just wait. I've already gotten a small opportunity this morning on gold, which I said I'm going to explain. So I'm going to be explaining my gold buy this morning, since this is what I'm waiting for now. We're done with that with the buy position I sent out, but I didn't send the entry to the group. So I'll just go to explain it real quick to you guys, so you guys see exactly what I saw and what made me go into the position. So this is gold. The 15 minutes, you can see, like I said, gold has been on a uptrend, pushing bullish, so much bullish momentum, and it got to an exhaustion point. You can see price created a support level and started printing bearish candle. But you can see there's a lot of rejection going on in this candle. You can see our price is rejecting this place, rejecting this place, rejecting this place, rejecting, failing to continue pushing to the downside, failing to give us a strong bearish candles to the downside in order for our price to tell us, okay, I want to probably change my direction. I want to start going towards the other way. Then we got a strong bullish candle, price close bullish, weak rejection. This next one, strong bullish, but came down, didn't didn't fail to close above, actually closed above this level, and that was exactly what I wanted. So the next candle came down, retested the structure that price broke above, and the moment price flipped bullish, that's when we got in for a buy. That exact point we got in for a buy, and we just put our stop below and hala price right to the upside. So that's how we were able to secure some profit this morning. But it was too quick for me to call out because it was just immediately as I turned on my system and I looked at it for a second, that was when I saw the trade. So I couldn't call it out to the community for everybody to partake from it. So it was just a that kind of once in a while kind of situation where you just see a trade and you couldn't call it out. You just place it by yourself, made your money, and that was it. So that was it. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. We have about 7 more minutes for this candle to end, and let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. 7 more minutes, guys. 7 more minutes. Are we going to get what we're looking for? Are we going to get what we're looking for? 7 more minutes. So we're getting a push. I will get a closure, and can we get a buy to the upside? So I don't want price to break above this high. I don't want it to break above. It's already doing that already. So let's look at something in 30 minutes. It's already doing that. We just have to wait. There's nothing I can do. I can't force this trade. I don't want to force. I don't want to enter any quick buys to the upside. So let's just wait. We have about 6 more minutes. So let's wait 6 minutes. If price push way too high and we can't enter the trade, then so be it. But we have to wait. I mean, you can see it's already pushing. But me, already, like I said, I placed a trade already, so I'm not in a hurry to likely jump into any trade and lose any money. So I have to just wait. I have to just wait for the candle to close. in order for me to jump into any positions. But for now, we wait, guys. We wait. This could be a nice trade. This could be another trade we could make money from this month. We have not placed a lot of trade this month, so you can see it on my stats here. Just one trade, just two trades I've called out this month. Okay, today there's no trade call out today. There's no trade call out today. So let's correct that narrative. And this trade might just leave us. It might just not get anything at all out of it. So it is what it is. If it does like that, it is what it is. But we need the closure. We need price to actually close in order for us to jump into the trade. We need price to actually close. If we don't get that, we are not interested in it. So we have to actually wait. We have to wait for price to close. We have just 5 more minutes, so let's wait for 5 minutes time, and we might jump to it. So the only thing I can be doing is see how we're likely going to place our stops, and we don't actually have any targets. That's just the thing. Yeah, we don't have any targets, so we're just trading blindly and open for price to just push and we make money. So that's it, guys. So let's wait. Hopefully, I want price to like come back down. 5 minutes. Damn. I want price to like come back down a bit. That'll be good. I want price to like push down a bit. So that's exactly what I want price to do. Price to push down a bit. Then from there we can look to uh, go for longs or something. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. If you're turning into the stream, please give the stream a like. It's very important. Please give the stream a like, guys. Show some love by giving the stream a like. Give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like and leave a comment. Let's leave a comment, guys. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. So are we going to get a retracement? Are we going to get an entry? We're going to know that in 3 minutes. 3 minutes time. I think the 5 minute count is about to, yeah. No for more, guys. No for more. No for more on the trade. Just wait and let's see how the trade play out. No for more, guys. We have to wait for the closure and we get something. Wait for the closure, guys. Just wait for the closure. 2 more minutes more for the end of the candle. So let's see where we're going to put in. Let's measure the entire range. Let's measure the entire range. Let's see how it's going to look like if we want to get. This candle has moved over 100 people already. This candle has moved over 100 people already, guys. So let's see. We just have to wait for the next candle to push down. That's the best possible way we can put our stop loss. But for now, we can't have any stop. We have to just wait for that particular candle to close. That's the best possible place we can put our stop loss. And depending on how this candle retrace, that's when we're going to put, if our entry is going to be above here or at this place. But our best possible chance right now is for us to let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Give the stream a like, guys. Just give the stream a like. We're just tuning into the stream. Just give the stream a like. Let's wait. Okay, it's retracing, which is good. So we have about less than 1 more minute. Less than 1 more minute, guys. So let's see how that plays out. Let's see how that plays out. The only problem here is that we're trading blindly because we don't know where to put our TPs. So that's just the only thing. That's the only thing about this trade, that we're trading blindly. We don't know have any idea where to put our take profits. We're having like large stop loss, but TPs is not, it's not defined because there's no structure on the left that we are chain of. You understand? Like there's absolutely no structure on the left hand side. We said, okay, this is the structure we're trading of. So we're trading blindly. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. This could be a very nice opportunity if price break above that level. So let's see how price retraces, and let's see how price decides to push. Okay, guys, sending out the trade now to the community, and we might adjust our stop loss depending on when it's candle flip. Whatever it is, this particular candle, that's where we're going to put our lows. What's the range from here to here? About, okay, that's fine. So we might adjust our stop loss depending on where that low is. Stay active, guys. Trade has been sent out. You can see it. You can check the community. I feel like you will see the trade there. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. If we don't get it now, price decides to retrace. We also wait for the 30 minutes count to close. So regardless of whatever it does, we are waiting. You get me? We're just waiting, guys. We're waiting. Let's see if we could get something nice on the street. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. So what's gonna happen is that if it gets to 5 more minutes, the trade has not activated us, we're going to delete our order and wait for 30 minutes, because 30 minutes too is still similar structure. Price has created a support, so a push above, so it's almost the same thing, and we might get a different entry. depending on how the structure close. So we might get a different into like below here, so we can have like a kind of tighter stop loss on the trade. So that's what I can say. So let's just wait and let's see. So regardless of what the trade does, it's still going to play out in my own favor because it's still going to play out in my favor. So either I place a trade today or I don't. So regardless of it, that's it. Either I place a trade or I don't. But we just have to wait and see what inspires in this trade. Like let's just see what's going to go. Let's just see what's going to happen. You get. So you just have to wait. Have to wait it out. We have to wait it out. We have to wait it out. So this is the deep retracement I'm talking about. So I like the someone said I wanted to trace deeper. This is fine. This is fine. Let's see if we can get let's see okay. Something again that I would like price to do since it's pushing like this. If the candle can close like this week uh week bear, so the next one you can look to um buy at the break of the high. Stop loss will be like below the structure or below the structure, and you can look to continue pushing price to the upside. So that's something else you can see. Or we get a 30 minutes candle closing above this line like this, closing like this. The next candle, like price close something. Sorry, price close something like this. The way it's rejecting there like this. Then the next candle will retrace down a bit. Then at the flip of the candle, look to buy the price and continue to the upside. So this is something else we can look to consider. You get, and mind you, this is January, so but January moving crazy. That's just the most important. Like the funny, sweet thing about this, January has been moving. Has been doing some crazy moves. We have about what 8 more minutes. So get ready to delete buy stop. Insert delete buy stop now, guys, because it's even close to my my 64 pip stop loss. So just delete buy stop. Delete buy stop. Or wait though. It's retracing. Nah, I like the way the candle is moving, guys. Delete buy stop. Delete buy stop, guys. I like the way the candles are moving. Waiting, guys. Waiting. Ah, we're waiting. Let's see if we'll get 6 more minutes, guys. Just 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes. We know if we're going to place a trade, make money or not. Let's wait, guys. 6 more minutes. The candle be moving crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. 6 more minutes, guys. So you have it back at resistance level. So let's see. I want this count to actually retrace. It's like basically 5 more minutes now. So delete, just delete, please. If your buy stop is there, just delete it, guys. There's no point of you having a buy stop there. So delete it and let's wait. We have to be careful with our entries. So we wait for this candle to close. So if you close it like this, so it's not bad. You get me? I have no, but at least let it close. Let it close above. Okay, this 5 minutes closing now. This is the last 5 minutes. So at least let this next 5 minutes close above this 5 minutes level. You get? Let's close above this 5 minutes level here. Let's close above here. That'd be good. But now it's looking like it's going back inside the range. And that's not what I want. So we'll wait. You get me? No forcing trades, nothing, just waiting for nice execution. When we get it, we execute our trade according to our plans and we make money. So that's the plan. 4 more minutes. We just candle close bullish. This candle close bullish, it's going to be good for us. It's going to be good for us. If that candle close bullish, it's going to be good for us. Two more minutes. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes, guys. So I'm guessing a bullish candle. Yeah, I'm guessing a bullish candle. Like I said, if that candle close bullish, that'll be good for us. So we might likely adjust our. We have about 1 more minute to the end of the candle. We might likely adjust. Our entry to the downside. Like adjust it to the downside. So let's see how this candle close. So my entry should be somewhere around there, and I'll look to adjust my stop loss. Damn. Damn. All right, guys. I think there's no entry for us, guys. There's no entry. There's no buys. There's no buys, guys. Go that retraced completely. There's no entry. I was literally hoping we get an opportunity on today's stream. I was really hoping we get some nice quality opportunities that we can use to place a trade. Like I was really hoping I was really hoping we get some nice quality trades. I was really hoping. But uh it is what it is. I don't think that can damn. Um, I don't think I'm interested in this candle. The way it's rejecting and all. The way it's rejecting and all. I don't think I'm interested in the candle. I don't think I'm interested in the candle. It can push. It can push. You get me? You can likely push. You can make money. But now the problem again you can have with this particular candle. You can see that new 30 minutes has no bottom wick. Like new 30 minutes candle I just started has no bottom wick. So there's a possibility that this 30 minutes candle can flip, and I don't know. There's a possibility that this 30 minutes candle can flip bearish and start pushing to the downside. You get it has no bottom wick. It has no bottom wick, guys. I think that's going to be a wrap for us today. There's no opportunities. Do not force anything, guys. Do not force anything. So let me just tell you guys. Let me just run you guys real quick, like give a rundown on what's gonna happen. So now this structure had changed. So this will be your new range. This will be exactly what you're working with. So get this out. This is basically your range you're working with right now. Do you understand? So she anticipates what to do, look for buys above and look for sales below. But we didn't get what we're looking for. The move of the day has already played out, and that was the buys I told you guys about earlier today. But for now, there's nothing else that we could probably do in the stream. Maybe I'll be active doing NY, but not on stream. Then I'll send that trade to you guys. But for now, looking at the way it is, there's no trade. So I'm going to see you guys same time tomorrow. Probably I'll stream earlier. So see what's going on. So peace and love and trade wisely, guys. Trade wisely.